In today's video, I'll show you how to create these viral AI FPV flight shot videos using just a single image. It's surprisingly interesting. Let's dive in. First, we need an image like this, where multiple famous landmarks are naturally placed within the same scene. This image was also generated with AI. I created it using HitPaw FotorPea. I'll leave the official download link in the description below, along with the prompts I used, so feel free to try it yourself. Second, now comes the most important step. Open the image and draw your FPV flight path using a red line. Start from your desired takeoff point and make sure the route passes through all the landmarks you want the drone to visit. Once you're happy with the path, save the edited image. Next, let's generate the video prompt. Open ChatGPT, go to the GPT section, and search for AI FPV flight shot prompt created by HitPaw. Upload the image you just edited, then tell the GPT where the flight path starts. It will automatically generate a detailed FPV flight shot prompt that you can copy directly. Now let's head over to HitPaw VikPea. Open the video generator and choose a model. There are several options available, but I highly recommend Seedance 2. In my testing, it's one of the best models for creating smooth FPV flight shot videos. Paste the generated prompt into the text box. I also like to add instructions such as sound effects only, no background music. Set the video length to 10 seconds, click generate, and let's see the result. And there it is, a viral style AI FPV flight shot video created from just a single image. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which landmark route you'd like to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.